Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today, video 122 and lecture 1 of Unit 1, Carbocations Reactive Intermediates. It is for BSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2, and session is current 21 to 22. Carbocation reactive intermediate. Carbocation is an ion with a positively charged carbon atom. Among the simplest example are methanium ion, that is CH3 plus. Its properties are it formed due to heterolytic bond cleavage, structurally trivalent compound, it having empty p orbital, it having sp2 hybridization, it having 120-degree bond angle, it is an electrophile compound, means it is electron deficient. The different kinds of carbocations are primary carbocations, secondary carbocations, tertiary carbocations. Primary carbocations. In a primary carbocations, the carbon which carries the positive charge is only attached to one other alkyl group. For example, see here, CH2 plus attached with CH3, and this again means this is a carbon which attached to the primary carbon, means one carbon. So these are the examples of primary carbocations. Secondary carbocations. In a secondary carbocations, the carbon with a positive charge is attached to two other alkyl groups, which may be the same or different. These are the examples of secondary carbocations. Tertiary carbocations. In a tertiary carbocations, the positive carbon atom is attached to three alkyl groups, which may be any combination of same or different. See, these are the examples of tertiary carbocations. Carbocation formation. How it forms? It is obtained from solvolysis. Solvolysis is a type of nucleophilic substitution reaction or elimination reaction where the nucleophile is a solvent molecules. The solvolysis of tertiary butyl chloride is an SN1 reaction. It involves the formation of a tertiary carbocation. See here, this is the example of alkyl halide, how it formed carbocation intermediate. By arenium diazonium salt, see here, this is the diazonium salt, SN1 reaction. It formed carbocation intermediate. From superacids, also we can obtain carbocation. These are the examples of acids, superacids, trifluoromethane sulfonic acid and fluorosulfonic acid. Magic acids has low nucleophilicity, allowing for increased stability of carbocations in solution. Many tertiary cycloalkyl carbocations can also be formed in superacid solutions. One such example is this here 1-methyl 1-cyclopentyl cation, which is formed from both the cyclopentane and cyclohexane precursor. Protonation followed by dehydration of alcohols When dehydration of alcohols occur, it forms carbocation. See this example. And after forming this again, gives alkene compound by even mechanism. Protonation of alkenes. Protonation of alkenes also form carbocations. An acid-base reaction, protonation of the alkene to generate the more stable carbocation. The this pi electron, not p, it is a pi electrons, acts as a Lewis base and it will give carbocation. And this again, when it will form alkyl bromide. Protonation of carbonyl compound. When protonation of carbon of the carboxylic acid forms carbocation and nucleophilic attack of alcohol molecule to form oxonium ion. See here, it will form carbocation. Stability of carbocation. Increasing substitution by carbon stabilized carbocation. Alkyl groups. Here, more alkyl group. Here, this is a tertiary carbocation. So it is more stable, and here less means it is a methyl carbocation. It is less stable. So as this is due to the hyperconjugation, its stability is increasing. Electron releasing and electron withdrawing group. When electron donating or electron releasing groups are increasing on carbon cation, its stability is also increasing. When electron withdrawing groups are there, it destabilizes carbocation, means stability is decreasing. Presence of double bond. The positive charge is delocalized around the aromatic structure. This delocalization of charge results in stabilization. As a result, benzylic and allylic carbocations are significantly more stable than even tertiary alkyl carbon cations. Presence of heteroatoms. Here, when heteroatom is present, here oxygen is there, this hydrofuran, this or nitrogen are more electronegative than carbon. This is due to the heteroatoms are electron withdrawing groups by induction. They are electron donating groups by resonance, and it is this resonance effect which is more powerful. So here this no resonance, so delocalization, it is a less stable, and here due to the presence of double bond, it is more stable. So this is also the double bond also play role in means due to the pi electron delocalization, its stability is affecting. Hyperconjugation. The interaction of electrons in a sigma bond with an adjacent empty non-bonding p orbital. Here, due to the hyperconjugation, its stability is increasing. Aromaticity. Electrophile attacks the aromatic ring, leads to the formation of a resonance stabilized carbocation known as arenium ion. See here. The positive charge on the carbocation is delocalized throughout the molecule and it stabilizes the molecule. Reactions of carbonium ion or carbocation. Carbonium ion or carbocations are positive charged, dimagnetic in nature, trivalent, electron deficient, and behave as electrophile. Carbocation gives following reactions. Combination with a nucleophile, it forms this nucleophilic substitution product. Here, this alcohol, when hydroxy nucleophile is react with the carbocation, it will form alcohol. Elimination of proton from adjacent carbon to give alkanes. Rearrangement reactions, carbocation can rearrange. This is the primary. As we know, tertiary is more stable, so it will rearrange. So it will give rearrangement reaction. Addition with alkanes, it will give higher carbocation. So it will react with alkenes. It will give addition reaction with alkenes. Generally, carbocation formation is observed in following types of reactions: nucleophilic substitution reactions of halides, electrophilic addition reaction of alkenes or alkyne, electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene, elimination of halides, acid catalyzed dehydration of alcohol. So thank you very much for today's lecture. In next lecture, we will see carbon anion.